Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This Grand Caravan is featured in the Crew Plus trim, and this is an indigo blue paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, heated powered outside mirrors, power sliding second row doors, second row captain seats and third row bench seating, as well as a powered liftgate and a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Starting off in the front of the Grand Caravan, we can see a chrome finish door handle. Below we have our power mirror, power windows, as well as power locks, and our power third row windows. The bottom of the door has some additional storage, as well as a speaker. Just to the left of the steering wheel inside the vehicle, we have all of our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we can see our power controls. You can also see our seat finished in a black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with a vehicle speed in the center. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has controls to adjust what we see in the middle of our display cluster, as well as our hands-free. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings. Just up and to the right of the steering wheel is our shifter. Then we have our infotainment system with AM/FM audio, as well as our Bluetooth audio and an auxiliary input. Below it, we have all of our tri-zone climate control. You can also see in the bottom we have our heated steering wheel and heated driver's seat button, and our heated passenger seat on the opposite side. Below is our econ mode, hazard lights, a control to turn on our 115 volt power plugs, as well as our traction control. Then we have some storage, some more storage that we can slide open. You can see we have two 12 volt plugs. You can also see we have two cup holders, and then some additional storage in the back. Passenger seat is the same black leather as our driver's seat, and both are heated and powered in the front of the vehicle. Then above our rear view mirror, we have our lighting controls, a sunglass holder, as well as all of the controls for our power sliding second row seats, power liftgate, and if we want to turn our power seats on or off. Then lastly, on the driver's side sunshield, we have our universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an alloy finish with a chrome Dodge center cap. Moving across the vehicle, we can see that we have a paint match finish front mirror, as well as our paint match finish door handles, and chrome roof racks across the top. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Dodge badging, as well as our Dodge Grand Caravan and Crew badging, all in chrome. Just to the left of our handle to open our trunk, we have our backup camera. Handle is just below the second D in Dodge. Can lift up, and we have a powered liftgate. Inside the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a bench seating in a 60/40 folding split. Some storage on the driver's side. We have storage in the bottom of the trunk as well. Then to close it, we have a button on the left-hand side to use our powered liftgate, or we can grab either of the handles on the top left or top right. Inside the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have a power window control, an inside door handle, as well as the button for our powered door. The bottom of the door has some additional storage. You can see that if we pull on the handle, we have a powered release. Moving to the inside interior, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. In the back of our center console, we have a handle on the bottom, and we can see that we have storage as well as two cup holders. Moving across to the passenger seat, we also have a storage compartment. In the second row, we have two captain chairs in a black leather finish. Above, we have storage, controls for our third zone climate control, as well as our lights. Some more storage goes all the way across. We also have lights for our third row seating. On either side, we can see we have two cup holders as well as storage. We have three seats in the third row, all in our black leather as well. They're a 60/40 folding split, and you can fold from the back of the vehicle. On the driver's side, we also have a cup holder as well as storage. And we can see in the middle, we have a pass-through. And also down the sides, we can fold the outside seats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.